Napoleon was a child. And so I know what everything works on. And so all